welcome back. This is only going to be a quick update because I got some other things going on that we'll talk to in a minute. But while I've been off, I've been making the new vents. Here's the old one. So quite happy with them two new vents. I'm in the middle of doing the rear window and that piece. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to fit that in there for when the engine cover comes down and seals that up. And I just put a little poll out because I got to get some stuff for the Ferrari F40 build. If you didn't know about that, that is happening. So I got a bit of a toss up, right? So it's either I get the gauges, the Lamborghini gauges for this car, and we can pretty much finish this car off, or I gotta get a chassis table, and it's roughly around about the same price. So now, leave in the description, do I get the gauges for this, or do I wait on the gauges and I get the chassis table so I can start on the F40? Let me know in the comments. And basically that's about it, short and sweet, but that's all I got for the guys at the moment because I've got so much going on. I'm trying to get out here to do this, but I'm at like I say, I'm at a crossroads now. I gotta save some money because I'm not rich. I wish I was. So I'm like you, I work 7 days a week in my job, full-time job, and trying to run part of the company that we're setting up and trying to build this. It's something's gotta give. So like I say, let me know in the comments, is it going to be chassis table so we can start on the F40 and then save some more money up and then get the gauges and we can practically finish this build? Let me know. Love you all. Welcome to new subscribers. If you haven't done so already, go back to the start because it's one hell of a trip that we've been on trying to build this car, which I'm really pleased because we are there. It's just paint, gauges, make the interior, take the car for IVA, car's finished. Oh, and I gotta get the engine out. The engine's gotta come out so I can play around with that in there because I can't fit in here. Well, that's in here for the rear window. So I'm waiting for some good weather to come so we can get the engine on an engine hoist, get the engine and gearbox out so I can sit in the car in the engine bay and do some bits and bobs in there. So that's still to come as well. Like I say, not much. We're on the eve of completing the build, which is mind-blowing. I never thought we'd actually get to this point, and now we're there. And like I say, a couple of other things happening with the F40 as well. That's coming into play, so we're kind of overlapping now, which is great. Yeah, leave a message. I'd like to see what you think, which direction I should go. And love you all. Hopefully I can get another video out for you guys and girls, and see you again. Ciao for now. Oh, keep safe.